Hey guys, Maurice here at Autel 2023, here to show you our new XLink. XLink is a great tool that can be used for several different features. One big feature I actually like to go ahead and mention is going to be Remote Expert. One of those scenarios where the XLink would actually be one of those tools that'll come into great use in your shop is if you pretty much have a scan tool that does not come with the J2534. So what happens with the XLink is XLink pretty much has that Remote Expert feature where you can reach out to one of Autel's vetted experts that can assist you with module programming, pre and post reports, or something simple as like an ADAS calibration remotely. So the XLink works very simple, works very identical to pretty much like how our scan tools work with the Remote Expert feature. The XLink will actually work with the mobile device where it works via the app, where you'll go ahead and be able to build your order directly from the mobile device, and that's how you're also going to be able to communicate with the expert that you are using for that service that you did select. Thanks for choosing Autel, guys. See you soon.